9-year-old Amina loved solving puzzles. Her best friend, Toby, preferred building things with Lego and drawing spaceships in his notebook. Neither of them knew their hobbies would one day lead them to something magical, a school where kids like them learn to speak the language of computers. It all began when their parents received an email invitation to enroll them in a brand new school, Bright Tech Academy, an IT school just for kids under 10. At first, they thought it would be all typing drills and boring lessons. But from day one, Bright Tech surprised them. On their first day, Ms. Ada, their coding teacher, named after Ada Lovelace, smiled and handed out colourful tablets. "Welcome, mini engineers," she said. "Today, we're going to teach a robot how to dance." "Wait, we can do that?" asked Toby, eyes wide. "Absolutely," Ms. Ada replied. "With code, you can teach a machine to do almost anything." The kids began learning Scratch, a block-based programming language. Amina made her robot moonwalk. Toby's robot did karate kicks. They laughed, debugged, and celebrated every time their code worked. As the weeks went on, their lessons got more exciting. They moved from block coding to typing simple Python commands. They learned how to build tiny websites with HTML and CSS. One Friday, they even designed their own mini video games and played each other's creations during tech time. But the coolest class of all was Little DevOps, taught by Mr. Bash. He wore glasses, funny socks, and always carried a laptop covered in stickers. DevOps, he explained, is like teamwork between your code and the cloud. It makes sure everything works smoothly after you build it. Using fun analogies, he taught the kids how to push their code to GitHub, test it automatically, and deploy it to a kid-friendly cloud server called Rainbow Stack. Toby built a site about his dog and deployed it live. Amina created a quiz game about space, and with one click, it was online for her cousins to play. They learned teamwork, problem-solving, and the joy of building things that worked in the real world. Bright Tech wasn't just a school, it was a launchpad for their imagination. By the end of the term, every student had a digital portfolio, their own website, and the confidence to say, "I'm a developer." Because at Bright Tech Academy, the future wasn't just for grown-ups, it was for every curious little coder ready to change the world.